How to add music or song to your Instagram reel videos. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are just going to have a quick tutorial on how we can just add music or song to our Instagram reel video. So let's get started. The first thing you guys need to do is just open up your Instagram profile or your account and then just swipe right. And here you can see that there are three options. There are many options actually. The one for the post, story, reel and live video. I just click on the reel option, and here you can see that there are several options present on the left side. On the top you can see that there is an option related to the music. Just click on that, and here you will have all the songs which you can just give up to your particular reel. Like I have just selected this one, and this particular song will just going to show up or just going to have on my particular reel when I click on done. Just click on that, and you can see that beside like that logo, beside that music logo, there is another picture or the profile of that particular song or the composer of that song which have you been selected to make up your reel. So you can just make up the reel and that particularly add it to your reel, and that song will be particularly added to your reel. You can just directly post it by clicking on the next. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.